In this video, we're going to have a look at how we work with the info module. Now, this info module appears in a couple of different spots in your website. You'll see it on the contact page. And at the moment, we just have one location. And what we're modifying when we go into the info section in the content management system is the company name, address, and phone numbers, and we'll get the Google map and opening hours. So we'll also see this information if we come to any page, right down at the bottom of your website in the footer. So we'll see that same contact information when we edit it in the info section, or if we have more than one location saved in our info module, then we'll see that there too. So if we come to the content management system, we'll come into the info section across here on the right, and we'll click info. So if we want to edit the existing information, we can click the pencil button. If we want to hide it or delete it, then we can use the ghost or delete button. And then when there's more than one location, we can also reorder them here, which we'll have a look at in a second. So if we hit the edit button, then you can see we have a list of all the information in here for our company. So we have the name, email, contact phone number and fax, and then other information such as the address and opening hours down towards the bottom. So we can change any one of these. So for instance, if we wanted to close on a Saturday as well, we can paste that in there and press publish. And you'll notice that in the footer we see a smaller set of information than we see on the actual contact page. So if we scroll back up to the top and come to the contact section, then we can see now we've modified the hours there to closed. So if we jump back into our content management system, we can go back to content, back to the info section, and we'll add a new location here. So same company name, but we'll append it with Vancouver. So this can be our Vancouver location. Type in email address and a phone number. And we can format the phone number in any way that we want. And we'll just copy this and paste it in for our fax and just change one of the digits here. And then we can also add additional phone numbers as well. So that could be someone's direct line, or it could be an alternative number. And then we have the address down here. So we can pop in some information for the address. And then if we come down to location and type in Vancouver or our full address, we can hit enter. It's going to search for it. And so when we searched, we're going to find the pin location, and then we can jot in some opening times. And we'll just copy and paste these. And we'll just copy and paste these through these boxes. So now when we press publish, we've put in our new information there. And we come to our demo site, we'll press refresh. We'll see two tabs here, and we can click more info for either one of those different locations. So we've got our Vancouver location. If we come to that page, we'll see that information, and we also have our New York location. If we come to the contact menu, we'll actually get a drop down for each of those locations. So we'll want to make the title of that first location make a bit more sense. So if I come back to my first Acme Inc. name, I'm going to type in New York and publish that. And now if we come back and hit the refresh button, then we'll have up at the top those two locations, Vancouver and New York, listed in the order that we have them here in the info section. So if we come to the info section and we want to reorganize these, we can click and drag these to different spots in the list, and we can have more than two, obviously. Publish that, and if we hit refresh, then we've reordered the menu here. So also, if we have a look down at the bottom, we have the two locations listed here at the bottom with the contact details, address, and email. So that's how to use the info module in the content management system that will appear on the Contact Us page and also in the footer of the page. And obviously, in the left-hand side of the contact page, we have a contact form where people can enter their details to contact us. And that form will go to the email address that we set up as the email for that location. So we'll get any forms that are filled out for Acme Inc. New York will now go to the email address that we have set up here for that particular location of the company. So that's where we'll wrap this video up. And if you are looking to learn more about the different things you can manage on your website, then please do take a look at the other videos that will explain how to create pages, how to work with menus, and a variety of other different tasks that you'll need to know to manage your site using the content management system.